Woman killed at Negril wedding reception identified. Body of a man found in churchyard on 100 Lane. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The Westmoreland police have identified the woman who was fatally shot during an attack at a wedding reception at a hotel complex in Negril on Saturday evening. She has been identified as 31-year-old data entry clerk Rudina Sr. of a Kingsvale address in Hanover. Two men were reportedly also shot and injured during the attack. They were taken to the hospital for treatment. Reports are that sometime after 6 p.m., men on a motorcycle drove up to just outside the hotel's property and opened fire at the wedding guests through a fence. When the explosions rang out, even guests at another nearby hotel were sent scampering for cover. The Westmoreland police are investigating the unusual development. The body of a man was found in a churchyard on 100 Lane off Reddings Road in St. Andrew with what appears to be gunshot wounds. The incident occurred in less than 24 hours after a man was killed in a shootout between rival gunmen that started on Reddings Road and continued on 100 Lane. Reports are that loud explosions were heard about 9:30 a.m. and the police were alerted. The body was later found in a churchyard and was removed to the morgue. No motive has yet been established for the killing. More details to come following further investigations.